Instead of guessing what data is available, Minexa.ai automatically discovers and ranks relevant fields, so both developers and non-developers can quickly scrape multiple job listings with details. Browse to the page. Minexa.ai adapts to any dynamic site, like Naukri.com, effortlessly. Launch Minexa.ai. The same panel works for quick exports and production data pipelines. Click here and Minexa.ai scans the structure of the page, mapping how job listings are grouped and repeated across the layout. Full dataset coverage is set. Minexa.ai identified how the site pages through job results and will follow it every time. Select the job results list only, or include each row's individual detail page for deeper data extraction. Most pages only need continue. Switch to advanced mode when the site changes based on what you do on it. Check the highlighted section and click Create Scraper. Minexa.ai detects hidden attributes, image URLs, and nested values alongside visible text during analysis. All columns are ranked by relevance. Select the ones you need from job title, company, location, salary, or click directly on the page to pick specific fields. Click API Request to get code that handles multiple job URLs in one request while returning everything in a single structured output. Looks good. Click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and continue with job data setup. Every page will be scraped. The navigation is saved and applied consistently on every future run, even with pagination. Your job is ready to go. If you need this data on an ongoing basis, a recurring schedule can be configured right here. Run it. Output is normalized into consistent columns, even when source pages differ slightly in layout. Every column you see stayed within the right section of the page. Ads, sidebars, and unrelated content never made it into your dataset, even if they looked similar to real data. You get job title, company name, location, salary, and posting date, all accurately extracted without noise. Click Export to download the dataset. Every value came from the exact right spot on the page, so no AI hallucination issues. Every relevant column is captured automatically, including hidden attributes and nested values you never had to define, making your job listing data extraction seamless and reliable.